See, digital transformation, everything. If you see, our Prime Minister was more forthcoming in saying "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas." I think digital transformation is going to do that, right? That you can help people from anywhere and everywhere, and people can get what they want. As Ranjan also said, that people are scared today that their jobs will go by automation, which is not true. Okay, it is true if they're doing a redundant job. As he said, कि रोज अगर मैं bill type करूँगा और entry करूँगा, obviously we also tell these people your life in IT or the life of your job is going to get lesser and lesser. See, any job which is which is like programmed, right? Which in the morning 9:30 you come and 5:30 you have to do A B C D E F. I keep telling everybody that if you're doing a job which is programmed, you will not be required in the system. The system will do it on its own. So system needs people who can think differently, who can act differently, and who can do things, who can do multiple things. Because today's salesman should not think I'm only a sales guy. He should also think that how can I work around my competition? How can I see that my cycle on payment gets improved? Because today CRM is there and he has knowledge of all his orders. He also knows what he's spending. It's all transparent. Meaning he can't say you are hiding the GP and you're not telling me the right GP. Because with ERP and CRM integrated, you can see at what cost you are buying and at what cost you are selling. And you can also see what are the other expenses. So I think digital transformation was also always there, and we thought it will take 3-4 years to get mature. But COVID accelerated it, and what we thought will happen in 24 happened in 2020, and it is there to stay. So I was in a shoe shop yesterday, and the guy was saying, "ये e-commerce वाले हमारी दुकान बंद कर देंगे." So I was telling him, e-commerce नहीं बंद कर रहा because you are not creative, right? And you have not thought of it. That's why you are still struggling. Right? My son runs Apple stores and he's very happy that COVID time, his online sale has gone from 2% to 17% of his total sale. And he says it's customer experience you can also give on e-com, other than giving it on a retail store. So you have to be innovative, and that is what digital transformation is all about. It's all about innovation.